hands occupied, we feed him in front of the TV, not every day, but in front of his favourite shows, just to keep him. And that's probably one little tip. I was told not to do that because he's not associating feeding with mouth and that kind of stuff. And that's fine medically, I completely get it. But when you're there trying to hold the tube, hold him down, make sure he doesn't pull anything when the extension is connected, that's when it's a little bit more sensitive because he can pull that and rip it off out of his tummy. So there's safety precautions that you've got to take. So I feed him like I was told, and he's bent over in his high chair. He's better off laying flat. They're the types of things that I wish I'd known. I discovered, okay, we're home, we've got to do what works for us. Whereas if another parent had said to me, hey, you know what, if you need to feed him in front of the TV, put on his favourite show, and 2 out of the 6 feeds are doing that, or 3 out of the 6 feeds are doing that, it's not going to break his association. It's okay. Getting the calories in is way more important and making it enjoyable. So give him his food when he's not preoccupied with it, when you're not preoccupied with it. Sit at family meals and make his oral feeding the enjoyment and leave the tube feeding for nutrition. Another parent told me that.